Have you ever wondered what makes an informative research paper truly great? Today, I'm going to share the 5 essential ingredients for an informative research paper. First up is a clear thesis statement. Generally, the word thesis means argument, but that's not always the case. A thesis is 1 or 2 sentences that outline your main argument or exploration on which your paper will focus. In an informative research paper, the thesis is often based more in the declaration of the objective information that the writer will deliver. Think of the thesis statement as the anchor for your paper. Next, you need reliable research is critical to every paper you write, but most especially to an informative research paper. Use credible sources like books written by experts on the subject of your paper, peer-reviewed journal articles on your subject, primary accounts of your subject matter, and expert websites if they can be proved to be credible and reliable sources. Remember to cite your sources correctly and using the most current edition of your citation style, whether in MLA or APA format. Remember, too, that your professor or publisher has the final say about what your citation style must include, so always read the guidelines. The third ingredient is logical structure. Your paper should have a clear introduction, body paragraphs supporting your thesis, and a conclusion that ties everything together. Transitions are key to guiding your reader. A transition is how you show the relationship between your paragraph ideas so the reader can stay in the flow of your ideas and not get lost in choppiness. Fourth, it's important to use your own voice. Finding your own writing voice can take some time, but your voice is what distinguishes you from the generic voices of those who might try to force an academic tone. Don't just summarize, analyze the information you are presenting, and always include your unique explanations about how and why your research is included. That is, be sure to explain precisely how the evidence you include supports your thesis before you leave a paragraph so that no paragraph ever ends on a citation but rather ends on your unique exploration of the thesis. And, of course, cite all claims properly and completely to avoid plagiarism. Finally, revision and editing are crucial. Revision is writing. Many new writers operate under the idea that you can just write a draft and be done, but revision is the key to real writing. No paper is perfect on the first try. In the book, Bird by Bird, and Lamott explains how every piece of writing, even those written by famous writers, begin as crappy first drafts, although Lamott uses a different word to describe that in her book. Make sure to review for grammar, clarity, and flow, ensuring each paragraph supports your thesis and all writing is clear and precise. So, to recap, remember these 5 essential ingredients. A clear thesis, reliable research, logical structure, your own voice, and revision. Follow these steps to create an informative research paper that makes an impact.